All right, let's cut this section out.
Yeah.
Just careful with that edge, John. Needs to be exactly 40 inches. Plasma on, staying clear.
The thickness here is too low.
Mark that spot.
I need a photo of this detail. Hold it there. Lock. Ready to weld. Starting top right. Hold that steady. I've got it locked. Looks good from here.
Keep it steady.
I think it's ready. Now,
Oh, hold it there. Perfect.
A little lower? Okay, got it.
Sealant is good to go. Setting the pane. Now. Exquisite. His touch is like magic.
Truly a master at work.
Measure 30 inches.
okay, placing the steel frame.
Adjust lift up 5 centimeters.
Got it. Secure the beam.
Marking with the laser.
Looks like it's a perfect fit now. Just need to seal these handles. Absolutely brilliant, doesn't it?
Line up the straps.
Hold it steady.
Sealant is applied. Push now, slow and steady.
It's in.
Looks perfect.
Did it?
We did it. The alignment is perfect.
Excellent. Mark that point.
Readings match. Let's proceed.
Next load of sofas coming through.
Whoa, careful with the lighting. Move it here. Check the manifest against the boxes.
Fabric rolls secured.
So the wrap is off. Move the table slightly right. Okay, placing the rug now. Adjust the lights, please.
Keep pushing the water towards the pumps.
Watch your step in the mud.
All right, secure that hose line. We need to lift it higher.
Keep it steady.
We're almost there. Watch the balance.
The perfect sunset view.
Absolutely stunning work.
Ready for the first guest.
The Reef Observer is almost ready for her maiden voyage. Just one final polish on the panoramic windows.
Det ser ju stretchen in epic. I don't want to speculate on all the fucking procedures. This is something I have to like put close in check.
I think that's the final piece. Excellent. That was a challenge to that.
Keep pushing, lads. We're almost at the bend.
Right behind you, Charlie, just a little further.
Heave-ho, gentlemen. We can do this.
journey we've shared. To us, cheers to the future.
All right, together now, push hard. We're almost there. Keep it steady, ready, and lift.
The restoration is complete. A new beginning in paradise.
Pull! Keep pulling! It's coming! Lift! Almost there! Let's go! The signal is strong here. Ready to chisel. Let's blast this layer. Roger that.
Keep the grinder going. The chemical spray is working.
I'll vacuum this area. Almost done here.